Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you? My name is Anika Darwati. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have 4 children. I come from Indonesia. I have worked in Malaysia before 2 years. My education is near high school. I can work like sweep the floor, mop the floor, washing, cooking, cleaning house, take care of baby, and take care of elderly. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to introduce cooking equipment. This is plate. This is bowl. This is cup. This is spoon. This is telephone. And this is rice cooker. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. I will be honest and responsible with my job. Please help me to work with your family. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. See you in Hong Kong soon. Bye-bye.